What is this now? Good morning. Good morning. Yes. Martha is my name, Martha Leshetla. Actually, Martha is my second name. Welcome back to our videos. Welcome back to our videos. Welcome back to our videos. Because it's not mine. If I'm making it for me, then why am I making it public? It's a Tuesday today. I'm very happy and excited because I'm meeting up with Leshetla. Leshetla is my church mate. She's also basically helping me walk out this Christian life, being a follower of Christ, because I am learning what that means and what that looks like for me. So she's basically helping me, guiding me. And so we meet up every Tuesday. Well, it'll be our third Tuesday today. And today we're going to meet up at Airport Junction. Last week was in Game City. Before that, she came to where I was. I was in Phase 4, so she came there. And then she dropped me off by Rail Park. You know, she's so sweet. She's so sweet. Okay, so today my boyfriend is joining us. And I'm actually very happy because as much as I am learning how to live life as a follower of Christ, I also would want us to learn how to do things right. Or if we're gonna basically be together, raise children, and do everything that we are supposed to, putting each other first, and every single thing that is written in the Bible. Yeah, there's a whole lot of work to be done. So I am excited about the meetup and I'm just happy. I'm just happy because I get to talk to someone. I get to open up and actually talk to someone. I feel like that is something that is important for me to be doing right now because I'm used to my space. I'm used to me with my thoughts and doing whatever it is that I do.
Found him. Guys, one day, it'll be me up there.
Guys,
this is my boyfriend. And he's wearing my favorite color. Well, I mean, it is part of my favorite colors. It's green at the end of the day. And I'm wearing my favorite color. I'm actually trying to picture you wearing formal pants. Well, I am going to see you wearing formal pants someday. I don't know how to reduce
exactly.
Meaning
the right
it's
section.
Skinny jean.
No, meaning the prices are lower.
No, it's a double meaning. It means. Babe, you should buy this one.
No.
Yes.
It's for old people.
Yeah, somebody's old people.
Tremendous depression.
Yeah.
Because there's no one. We don't work on motivation.
I'll be in the
we
mall
work on discipline.
when I just call me.
He doesn't motivate himself.
Yeah.
He uses.
In a way, like he can easily depend on me without asking.
Like if I'm passionate about something and him being passionate about something and he wants to start a business.
I'm gonna have them after later.
Oh wait. Don't take everything. Bye guys.
Bye.
Okay, can I have a bite from the knife?
Alright. Okay.
Why is it the point?
Because it's mine.
Say bye.
Bye.
Your face is cut. Sorry.
Alright.
Bye.
That's good.
So after our amazing, productive, very educational and informative meeting, we headed over to Fabiani to check out the store. These were some amazing caps, amazing merchandise. I'm telling you, I've never worn Fabiani before, but if I had to, I would. Yeah, just that I don't like spending a lot of money on clothes. Yeah, no. I don't like spending a lot of money. But yeah, basically we were done. This was me heading home. and basically done with my whole day. I was so happy and I just wanted to do it again. Join me for another video. Bye.